Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Ever feel like your car has a mind of its own, constantly tugging you left or right as you cruise through Berks County? You're definitely not alone. That frustrating pull in your steering wheel isn't just annoying, it can be a sign of a bigger problem. Here at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions, we see this all the time. That persistent pull can make your daily commute feel like a workout, cause your tires to wear out unevenly, and even impact your safety. Today, we're diving into why your car might be pulling to one side, focusing specifically on steering and suspension problems. These are often the key culprits behind that unwanted drift. Let's break it down. Think of your steering system as a direct connection between you and your wheels. When everything is working correctly, turning the wheel translates smoothly into the wheels turning. But if something's off, that's when you can feel that pull. One common issue within the steering system is the wheel alignment. Imagine your wheels are like a team of runners. For them to go straight and efficiently, they all need to be pointed in the same direction. Hitting potholes, bumping curbs, or even just the regular wear and tear of driving in Berks can knock these angles called caster, camber, and toe out of alignment. When your wheels aren't in sync, they're essentially fighting each other, causing that pull and leading to your tires wearing down unevenly. You might also notice your steering wheel isn't centered when you're driving straight. Then we have the suspension system. This is like the foundation for your car's handling and stability. It's made up of parts like shocks, struts, control arms, bushings, and ball joints. These components work together to keep your tires in contact with the road and absorb bumps and vibrations. When parts of your suspension system start to wear out or become damaged, it can have a big impact on your steering. For example, worn control arm bushings can allow excess movement in the suspension, leading to instability and a pull. Think of it like loose joints in your body. They don't provide the support you need. Issues with the power steering itself, while less common, can also cause a pull. Problems with the power steering pump or the steering rack can lead to uneven assistance, making it feel like the car wants to go in one direction. You might also notice stiffness or unusual noises when you try to turn the wheel. Now you may be thinking, it's just a little pull, what's the big deal? Well, ignoring a car that pulls to one side can lead to some serious problems. You could experience reduced control, especially in emergency situations. Your tires will wear out much faster, and your engine might even work harder, leading to lower fuel efficiency. You could be putting unnecessary stress on other important parts of your vehicle. Back to the streets. Don't let a stubborn steering wheel dictate your drive around Berks County. If you're in Redding, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, Wyomissing, or anywhere nearby, bring your car here to Myles Auto Care and Transmissions. Our technicians can diagnose the cause of that pull and get your steering and suspension systems back in top shape for a smooth and safe ride. Even though it's so hard to say goodbye, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.